Rolex Rings Limited. We see the rings that ring in the industrial growth. We see the global economy projected to grow and India's real GDP aiming to record an expansion of 10.1% in fiscal 2022, while global economy is expected to grow at 5.5% in 2021 and 4.2% in 2022. We see consumer sectors, commodity sectors, and core sectors firming up to bounce back significantly in fiscal 2022. We see Government of India expanding its production-linked initiatives to 10 more sectors, with highest allocation to automobiles and auto component sector for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are Rolex Rings, one of India's top 5 forging companies and a manufacturer and global supplier of hot-rolled, forged and machined bearing rings and automotive components for various segments.
We started manufacturing of forge and machine component in 1988. Then since we expanded organically by setting up our second and third unit.
Rolex Rings has sourced and installed superior machinery and equipment at all manufacturing units. We are one of the few Indian companies with a combination of high-speed hot formers from Sakamura and Hatteberg. Our machinery is sourced from, among others, leading global manufacturers like DMG, Fuji, Ace, Tsugami, Hyundai, Mazak and Muratech. Our manufacturing infrastructure includes 22 forging lines with a combined installed capacity of 1,44,750 MTPA, including high-speed hot formers, vertical forging lines, and conventional forging lines integrated with induction heating furnaces. We have machining facilities of 508 spindles with installed capacity of 66 million parts per annum and other equipment including heat treatment, cold rolling shop and die making units which have been procured from third-party vendors. Most of the equipments have automation solution to reduce cycle times and manpower requirements. Our product portfolio includes a wide range of bearing rings in a diverse range of weights and diameters, making our products suitable for a wide range of end-user industries, parts of gearbox and automotive components. Rolex Rings supplies to large marquee customers, both domestically and internationally, including some of the leading bearing manufacturing companies, Tier 1 suppliers to global auto companies and some auto OEMs. As per ICRA report, Schaeffler India Limited, SKF India Limited, Timken India Limited, NBC and NRB collectively account for 81% of the market share of Indian bearing industry.
Rolex Rings is one of the top 5 forging companies in India.
In fiscal 2020, we supplied bearing rings and automotive components to over 60 customers in 17 countries, maintaining long-standing relations in such a way that 80% of our 10 largest customers for the last fiscal have chosen to stay with us for over a decade. It is this commitment to quality and our customers that has helped us receive excellence awards from Timken and General Motors and many more certifications. With an intent to de-risk our business from fluctuating power tariffs and reduce our carbon footprint, Rolex Rings is making further investments in renewable energy. We operate windmills with installed capacity of 8.75 megawatts. And are in the process of expanding capacity of our solar projects by an installed capacity of 12 megawatts, all of which will help us in reducing our carbon footprint and expanding profit margins. To ensure unhindered expansion plans for the future, Rolex already has on hand unutilized land at Rajkot and Taluka Gondal. Rolex Rings now looks forward to building upon its strengths and leadership position for the next phase of its growth. By leveraging experienced promoters and senior management team, increasing our share of business amongst existing customers, and further expanding the customer base through a continuing focus on improving operational efficiency, further enhancement of our manufacturing infrastructure and product portfolio, and focus on reducing our power cost and carbon footprint. We are Rolex Rings Limited.